Good morning, students. As you know, we have covered the full syllabus for periodical test first. For the periodical test first, how many chapters? You listen carefully. First chapter, continents and oceans, and fifth chapter, equatorial regions, and next chapter 9, Earth's four spheres. Next chapter 12, India and its neighbors, and next chapter 15, concern for pollution, and last chapter, modern communication, as chapter number 19, modern communication. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 chapters for your syllabus, and we have covered. I have explained all the chapters. I am revising. Today I am revising concern for pollution. Concern for pollution. As you know, your subject is social environment. So, for the study of environment, it is also compulsory that we should study the pollution. So, you know, pollution. What is pollution? Means unwanted things. If the unwanted things come in our daily life for surviving, and we have not desire to take it, it is harmful, but burdenly it is taken by us. So it is pollution. The category of pollution may be vary. So pollution means unwanted things that happens in our life, either from atmosphere, from hydrosphere, from biosphere, from man-made, or by natural. So if the materials, the things are unwanted for us, it means it is pollution. So pollutions are very, it is given page number 75. As environmental pollution is a man's worst enemy. All living things are dependent on their environment. This dependence has increased with the passage of time. This is because as population increases, the requirement for food, water, and housing also increases. In order to meet these ever increasing demands, man has started putting pressure on the environment. Due to various activities, the air, water, and soil are being polluted. Deforestation is being done at an alarming rate, and many varieties of animals are getting extinct due to destruction of their natural habitat, and also because of hunting. All these human activities have caused serious damage to the environment. So, dear students, as you know, the natural habitat, it is the important thing to all, for the all organisms, for all the creatures, even micro to micro level, even animals to man. So, dear students, if the habitat of any creatures has been affected by the activities of human beings, so it means this is the extinct of that animals, extinct of the activities of the such type of creatures, and destroying the beauty of nature. So in this way, we can say the habitat It is the important thing. Habitat means, understand habitat. Habitat. So, habitat means as natural dwelling. So, natural dwelling in such way the people, the creature, micro to micro, live in a particular atmosphere, in particular environment. If the foreign materials, foreign effects that comes on that life as surviving of the life, it affects the whole life and the activities of the such creatures. So this is not good. It means this is the destruction for the such type of creature, and in this way it is called pollution. The effect of pollution on the such habitat. So dear students, today you start as revision of concept for pollution, and tomorrow I will explain the pollution as air pollution, water pollution. Okay. For today's class, thank you, and you revise page number 75. Okay, thanks.